Hi kids, this week's openers are a total of 3, and they are which ones doesn't belong. And for Monday or Tuesday, depending on what day you're going to meet with me, you need to have this one completed, and I kind of have a fall or Halloween theme going this week. So you need to tell me which quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, or quadrant 4 doesn't belong and why. Think mathematically. Look to see if there's any thing missing, or if there's more than one of something, or maybe a pattern of some sort, because patterns are mathematics. So check that one. That's Monday and Tuesdays. Wednesdays, which one doesn't belong, is the same thing. You're going to do quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, or quadrant 4, and I will make sure I add the numbers to this. Look at it mathematically. Look at it maybe with addition or multiplication, or look for a pattern and see if the pattern doesn't work. And go there and see if you can tell me which one you think doesn't belong. Remember, there is no right or wrong answer. And then, of course, Thursday and Fridays is the same thing. You have quadrant A, B, C, and D. They labeled it for you, so make sure you use one of those, A, B, C, or D. It's not always the same. And look to see mathematically addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, which one doesn't belong and why. Look for that pattern. Good luck, and if you need help, email me and I will help you.